Guys, I'm sorry to do this, but you know, give me a couple of minutes, you know. I see a lot of people are suddenly like 120 people instantly inside the house. That's good, guys. Must be the late shakeout. I think some kind of like liquidation dump, you know, we're gonna talk about that, but you know, it was insane, like 5%, 6% down, and look at it, it's just getting eaten back, right back up. So, you know, we gotta follow what's happening with this. Is gonna hit resistance and back down again, or what is gonna happen? I'll be right back. I gotta do something, man. I gotta do something. This is insane, man. Chill with the music, guys. Chill with the music and exchange, you know, ideas. How you guys doing? There we go. Chill music to relax everybody a little bit. WTF was that, guys? WTF was that? It's recovering like crazy. What are people saying? Safe moon, guys. Just a small shake off, guys. We gotta tweet this. We gotta tweet this. Twitter. Is it hashtag? Prototype. I think some kind of liquidation up. Yeah, just end of the monthly spread is like matic to the moon. Is everything recovering, guys? Is everything? Shiba is definitely recovering, guys. Shiba is definitely. Shiba was 20%. Shiba is doing better right now than it was before the dump. Shiba. Shiba is doing better than before the dump, at least. Let's see here. Is there anything else that like seems off? Dodge is a little bit down, I think. No, it's not. Let's see how Dodge is doing. By the way, it is recovering a little bit. So it needs to do this over here. If it falls down here, you know, we might see another dump on the downside. So we're gonna see if we can manage to climb back up here. Stable like always. What is the minimum price for us to stay bullish? I think we're gonna stay above I don't think it's minimum price, but it would be nice to close above this 20 moving average up here again. You know, if you close above this level up here, it's gonna be super bullish. I think it's not super bullish, but it's you know, you get a bullish engulfing candle up here. So you know, whether we are gonna, you know, do that or not, that's like something like 60,300. This is on Qcoin, but still, Coti pumping, matic also matic. I think there was a lot of long positions, you know, being made. Does anybody know how many long positions got liquidated? Let's see here, Bitcoin. Post pumping. What's maximum price will make us bearish? What's latest? See what people are saying. Destroy project, guys. Nobody's saying that anything. I was told blah 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 blah. Top. But we just bought a dip. They just bought 420 new Bitcoin. You do not sell your Bitcoin. Not much. Latest videos. I should be a top of here. Obviously not. Nobody's saying anything, man. Nobody's saying anything about the dip. And you know, I don't follow that many people up here, you know, so let's see what... I should start following a lot of people. I should start following people. There we go. Wow, Bitcoin took a nice dump. It was indeed nice. Oh, this does not look good, guys. Why is everything dumping, guys? Why is everything dumping? Why is everything like carnage? $46.5 million BTC liquidated in 10 minutes. That's not that much. Is there some site that shows liquidations? Bitcoin liquidations tracker. Bybit total liquidations. Is it gonna upload? Yeah, on Bybit 1 hour 58. It's not that much though, it's not that much though. This is on Bybit. BTC liquidation, the block futures. MI is a lag indicator, yeah, but it shows. I don't see that we got all year today warm 70. Maybe ship it on the shorts. Total market crypto meter. The longs wrecked. Bitcoin's playing is such a stupid game. Hits so much at it. Yeah, I don't know where to find it. I've never been more bullish in my life. Ethereum is doing nice. I mean, Ethereum, you know, even with the dump, you know, it. Let's see how big was the dump. All the way down there. Let's see how this looks on the daily. Yeah, it came pretty far down. Bitcoin. 1 minute chart. Got trajectory right now. It needs to, you know, it's continue climbing up here. You know, see some kind of, you know, pullback right now. Matic will be melting. Let's see 5 minutes. It just went up. It's just hugging it out here. You know, it can still do this. Other for long right now. Other people cannot get a break, man. Other people cannot get a break. Look, they just went up here and then suddenly down. I mean, I think this is. I think, you know, that they are doing this just, you know, mess with other people. Like other was just getting up to 0.92. Oh, this is. Let's see 1 hourly. Look here. What's happened with Cardano, man? Look at the Cardano, man. Look at the Cardano. It started over here, right? And then it went down, and then it went up, and then it closed down here, like, and then it went up again, and then down, and right now going like this. I mean, Cardano people must be intense right now, if they are watching the charts, of course. Look how a 1 hour looks like. They just got a break, like just got a break up there, and suddenly poof, right down. Nope, you're not going up there. Cardano people, man. 60 million in 1 hour, 55k. Freeman thinks 55k. They think BTC has a chance. I think everything has a chance if you just pull through this, man. Please, no fun at Cardano, dude. But it is funny, man. Look at this, man. You kind of just got a break, man. You're going sideways. You can see this here. Went down, then, you know, bullish up, then, you know, right down again, then right up, then right down, and right down going to this. Is there some kind of falling wedge here going on? No, it looks more like a triangle. My money got really Cardano. Yeah, I think that till I just logged in, but BTC bounced right out the bottom of the falling wedge. It's perfect at 4 hour time frame. Still crazy flash time though. Yeah, this falling wedge that everybody's talking about. So down here, because something like this, right? But I wouldn't consider it a falling wedge. I mean, it's really long wedge. Should not be drawn on this chart though. Up here. I mean, people are drawing it like this, right? But you know, you know, this falling wedge is too steep, I think, or too long. Leverage is a dangerous gameplay, Mr. Adia. Said here about Cholos. Who said that? They are suppressing ARA before the huge upswing. Something's definitely going on, and we are just too small fish to understand. We're just too small fish to understand what's going on, guys. We are not part of the big whales group, you know. We are trying to get there, you know, but we are not part of the group, man. We are not part of the group. So try to drop a weekends before going to the moon. You know, sometimes I envy people. They can just hodl and you know, have diamond hands, because you know, they don't watch the charts all the time. So right now a lot of people are out partying. They are not watching the dump, right? They don't know what's happening. They're having, you know, good times. They're with the families. They're doing this, they're playing games, right? And you know, tomorrow they're gonna come and see, oh look, yesterday there was a small dump and downside. Oh, nice. And then it won't even understand the significance of the dump. But you know, we that are watching the charts every single day, like 24 hours a day, even when we go to the bathroom, we are sitting there with the charts. You know, we understand everything. You know, it's a lot harder for us to have diamond hands than it's for somebody else. So where's the trend line up here? You guys think we're gonna break this? If we break this, the trend is broken, I think. I think if we break this, the trend is broken. Can we break this, or are we gonna get rejected at the line, guys? I already dumped to 50. I thought I dumped to 55k. It went down just too fast to be, you know, might be, if we cannot recover here fast enough, we just might continue on the downside. But we'll see how this actually plays out. Smooth brain here. It was a whale telling the regular folks to stop pumping shitcoins like Doge and also Shiba and put money in BTs instead. Power more, which will kill the bull market. I thought the dump would have been bigger as well. We're trying to get up there, but you know, we are sitting at the resistance up here. So you know, we are trying to get above the resistance. We're gonna see if we can actually manage to do this. Weekly, 1 hourly has sell orders. Dodge sell. Shall I hold it? You do what you wanna do, man. XRP, let's see other coins. XRP. Wow, XRP did the same thing, man. What the F happened? Maybe this is the reason we had the look at XRP, man. Look at XRP. This went down, then up, then down. I don't know which way you know, it went down, up or down, up. You know, I don't have second chart, so I cannot see which way this went. But I know that up here we went down. Some start here, went up, down here, and then close down here. So yeah, it is some kind of you know, one reach. I didn't have none such thing. Matic, FTM, Phantom had a big weeks upside and downside. Solana, Ethereum, just pure dump. Carnage. Doge is just a regular dump. Shiba. I don't know if this is because of. Look at it. Look what's happening on Shiba, guys. What is this? What is this grab, guys? What is this grab? I think somebody is, you know, selling a lot, and then they are clearing the order books. I think they are clearing, you know, usually you see this kind of stuff. This is on Coinbase, guys. This is on Coinbase. This is Shiba United dollars on Coinbase. Usually you see these kind of wicks on low volume, actually low liquidity exchanges, because they are clearing the order book. Somebody press sell and it's selling everything, right? Sell, 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 sell. But right now it's getting into this you know, finishing move right now. The sell-off is finished, at least for this guy or these people up here. Whoever is selling up here, that's finished. I think this is a sell-off. I mean, the volume is pretty huge. 38 billion, 30 billion, 25 billion. So, you know, they're pressing the sell button, you know, and market sell, market sell, market sell, market sell, let it recover, market sell, let it recover, market sell, let it recover, market sell, let it recover. All right, see here, big sells on Shiba right now, big sells on Shiba. I say you're cute. I'm not sure if I like that comment. Well, I'm busy, you know. Tell your wife to not, you know, be saying stuff like that about married men, you know. Sell it good. Harmony 1 holding up the best of more. How's Harmony 1 doing right now? 9% up, but it did have a dump. It is holding up, but you know, that's because it went up, you know, but you can see here that it hasn't recovered. I mean, technically it's still doing nothing, like it went up, down. Everything suddenly went up and then suddenly went down. Why is this? Like Bitcoin didn't do that, but you know, a lot of other coins went up. You know, we dumped down here and then we were suddenly up, down, and how is this gonna play out, guys? How is this gonna play out? That's the tricky question. How is this gonna play out? We are trying to break this downtrend up here on the 1 minute chart, whether it's gonna happen or not. You know, the good thing is that we are not just, you know, instantly dumping on the downside. You know, we are kind of hugging the resistance. So you know, probability to break to the upside is quite good. Are these buys with bottom wicks? Oh. Oh. You are right, my man. You are right. Yeah, I mean, nah, I don't know, because these buys or sells. So you know, when price is up here, somebody sell a lot, right? And there is a lot of, you know, buying power, so they buy all the way up here. But here's a sell wall, right? So somebody is controlling the sell wall, right? Right, they're controlling the sell wall, but you know, somebody presses market, you know, and it eats entire order book, and then you know, small people come and chew this up, right back up again. So they sell, and then you know, it gets bought right back up again. They sell and they get the right bought, but they are holding the wall up here. It's not like it's going up and they're buying. It looks like buying. I mean, there is definitely some kind of buying, but somebody is massively selling, like, because you know, you cannot get these weeks without somebody clearing order books. So if you got some kind of candle up here, right? If you got some kind of handle, and you know, price drops down, that means that somebody has to, you know, instantly, you know, drop a lot of volume on the downside for this to go up upstairs, right? If somebody was buying, we would see, you know, clearing of the order books to the upside. There'll be the upper wicks, and then you know, it will be pulling back down. You know, we will get upper wicks and then we get pulled back down. So you know, buys are when you have big wicks on the upside, and sells are when you have a big wicks on the downside. So these are sells, I think. My wife longed on BTC 59.8. What she do? I don't know, man. I don't know. Whatever she wanna do. It's hard to say. Yeah, you know, like we said, I think this is some kind of liquidation up, you know, and that might be even good for Bitcoin, because you know, it removes a lot of players out of the game. So all of these players need to make new long positions, right? You can see here we are right now breaking this trend line, which is actually a good thing. So I have, you know, pretty decent confidence that we might get above the next resistance up here. If you can manage to break the up here, if you manage to break the resistance, and then the sky is clear towards the upside. There are only 6 billion, sir. Not a financial device. Sun, please. Have you look at Doge? Yeah, Doge is recovering as well. Everything is recovering, guys. Everything is recovering. Doge is already up here. See here. So it went down, found some kind of top up here. So you know, if we break the resistance, that's a bullish move. That's a bullish move, because we create resistance here. Usually you don't get, you know, you get rejected down here and then you go down. So you know, getting rejected is not good. But if you manage to break the resistance up here, you know, that's a good bullish move. The same thing goes for for Bitcoin. First, Bitcoin has to break the trend. This is the trend. So first we break the trend, and then we break this top up here towards the upside, and then it's good, right? So, you know, a little bit more, but, you know, we might just get out of this alive. Look how fast it got bought up. Yeah, it bought up instantly. Like I was looking this stamp down here, and I was like, oh, what the F is happening, man? And then suddenly this big candles comes kicking in. And you can see right now, Bitcoin is bullish. There is a lot of buying going on. And, you know, if nothing else, guys, the guy from Salvador, you know, Victor El Salvador, the guy from Salvador, you know, Nayib Bukele, you know, the president, he's just tweeted that where is it? Top up here somewhere, right? He just tweeted that Nayib Bukele, it was a long wait but worth it. We just broke the dip, 420 new Bitcoin 22 hours ago. So at least El Salvador is bullish on Bitcoin, you know. Quick buy to cover the leverage losses. Quick buy up to cover the leverage. Yeah, but right now, maybe you know, maybe it's quick buy up to cover the leverage losses. But you know, it is enough of the buying power to push the price towards the upside. And if nothing else, you know, this might, you know, let me just move this a little bit. I'm gonna do this up here. I gotta move like this up here, and then down here, something like this, right? There we go. It's not actually all the way up here. Yeah, it is. Doesn't matter. Coordinated dump, guys. Coordinated dump. How did I do? Because this is not an easy thing to do, guys. This is not easy thing to do. This is very hard thing to do. They have to, you know, coordinate this dump. I don't know how they do it. And here we go. We are breaking the trend. This on 1 minute chart, you know, but still good. We are breaking the trend right now. So next level to break, it's up here at 60,300. Let's see if Doge did already that. Doge was trying. Nah, Doge is close, but not quite there because I can see Doge. Let's see here. Ethereum is not close as well. Ethereum also has this 41,192 to break. Let's see up here. So what's this 60,000 level up here? Yeah, breaking that. So we need to break this level up here, 60,333. Billionaire just playing with spare change. Yeah, they're messing with us. I'm telling you guys, we are small fish. We are small fish in the sea. You know, we gotta hide, you know, under the rocks, under the, you know, leaves and stuff like that. You know, we gotta hide in the sand, in the caves and stuff like that. You know, big fish are swimming out, you know, and eating us up. So you know, we do what we can do. You know, when we see these kind of dumps, we get scared, but we try to understand what big fish are doing. You know, and we are seeing the big fish around there, you know, circling us. But you know, and then suddenly they try something, and then we are like, oh, are they gonna get us? Are they gonna get us? And, oh no, it's just some other fish up there, out there. They tried to swim with the big fish, and they ate it up. You know, so we are just small fish. You know, we're just trying to live. No matter how much hope, you know, I take this is BS. What do you mean is BS? Hope he doesn't read it. Hi, brother. Now I have to read it. Bullish. No matter how much hope you might. What do you think about Karan? Dismos. What did Dismos say? Beats us came just like. And that's your reality. Like, you make us smart. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Plant. I can only teach you what I think I know. And then you have to decide whether the thing I know is legit or not. And that's with everything, guys. You know, you go to YouTube, you listen to a lot of people that sound smart because they know a lot more than you, right? But you have to figure out, are they really smart? Like, imagine you are a 5th grader and you are listening to your dad or mom or somebody else. It doesn't matter what they're talking about. They always sound smart because your knowledge is not at the level of their knowledge. Now, if you had the same level of knowledge, maybe you could decide whether what they are saying or not is legit or not, you know. But when you don't have that kind of knowledge, you know, everybody sounds smart. On the internet, if you're looking at something new, everybody sounds smart. Doesn't matter if they are right or wrong, they sound smart. Even if they're wrong, because that's how things work. So you have to figure out, you have to, you know, learn stuff, and then when you learn stuff, you have to decide, is this guy smart or not? Time the quantity place. That guy's plankton. This option expiry week, so it's understandable to this photo. Option, like I'm serious about this, guys. Every single week somebody's talking about option expiry. Like I feel like there's every single week some options are expiring. 3% up now. Bitcoin going for this pullback to the upside. So you're gonna see if you can get recovered all the way up to 5%. Doge did recover. Doge is recovering like you know what. Did the Doge break the trend? Yeah, look at this, man. Doge broke the downtrend on 1 minute chart. At least on 1 minute chart, you know, that's the first step. You're nonce and then draws rational people in. Well, if I knew what nonce is, I would appreciate that, but let's learn a new word today, guys. Nonce. What does this mean? Nonce English technical. Let's see. I have to do this in Norwegian because nyansert. Oh, you're nonced. Okay, I'm nonced. Look up lossless stock, please. No, thank you. Where do you see Doge this week? Higher, guys. About the Doge, I think Doge is going good, guys. I think Doge is going. This is initial pump. This initial pump that happens out of the breakout, as long as we can, you know, but we have to, you know, 28.41. You gotta keep above 28.41. You gotta close above this line up here. You gotta close above this line up here. 28. This line up here. You gotta close. Why do I have this? Let me see 1 hourly. Okay, just let me move this line up here. So let's go to daily. You gotta close above this level up here. You gotta close above this level up here, this trend line down here and this one up here. So that's at 28.30. If you can close the daily above here, this is the starting pump for Doge. This is like the, you know, the flagship that goes out, says, guys, we are on the roll. So right now Doge did 30%. It actually is like 40% something up the resistance at 0.34 and then pull back. That's fine, but going for a retest down here. Let's see Bitcoin 3% exactly. We'll have pattern also in the bear market and for other financial markets. I don't have we just do crypto on Patreon, but yeah, we do Patreon through entire bear market as well. A little bit different than what we do right now, but yeah, we still do it. And you also get to join the Telegram group, private Telegram group. I'm always on the Telegram group, so you can always ask me questions and stuff like that if you want to join that. Doge versus SHIB, the game is on. Yeah, by the way, guys, let's talk about market cap. Let's talk about market cap because a lot of people are getting this stuff wrong. Okay, I've seen a lot to talk about market cap, so I'm gonna teach you something. Okay, here are the flaws of the market cap, right? I'm gonna teach you several things when you're looking at a chart like CoinCap. This is right now educational video, so follow, you know, full attention right now. Here is Dogecoin and here is Shiba Inu. And they got some kind of circulating supply, and you know, that doesn't matter. Here is what's matter, the market cap. And market cap on Dogecoin is right now 40 billion, and on Shiba Inu is 36 billion. So if you see some kind of market of 40 million and say, hey man, Dogecoin can never do 10x, because if it does 10x, it's gonna have a market cap of 400 million, and that means that it's gonna be number 3 on the list. And there are all these legit projects out there. It cannot do that, man. It cannot go 10x because, you know, there is legit project like Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Ethereum, you know. It cannot be up with those guys. This is just a meme coin. I understand that. I understand that. Now, here's the two things you have to understand. Number one, when you have the market of 40 billion, right, and you extend that, that's 400,000, that's no problem, because you have to understand 10x doesn't go up there and stays up at 10x. It pulls down like 50-60%. So, you know, number one, you go up to 400 million or maybe, but you pull down below 200 million after 50% correction, right? Because after a parabolic move, after 10x, you're gonna get the pullback. That's normal, right? So it's not like you get 10x and then stay up at 10x at 400 million forever. That's the first clue. Now, the second clue is when Dogecoin goes up 10x, it's not like everything else is just gonna stand still and not move at all. You know, everything else slowly goes up. So right now, you know, the market cap on, for example, Ethereum is at 493 billion, but you know, by the time Doge does 10x, it's maybe gonna be 600 billion, or you know, so entire market cap with other coins are also going up. So you have to also take that into consideration, right? That, you know, not just Shiba and Dogecoin are going up 10x, you know, and it's gonna go up with big guys, you know, everything else is gonna go up as well. So the difference won't be that much. And also once we hit the 10x, we're gonna have a pullback, right? That's very important. And the third thing is the most important thing I'm gonna teach you right now on this channel. This is the life lesson for life. In bull markets that we are right in now, it does not matter what has fundamentals, what is good and what is not. It really matters zero. In bear markets, when we are at the bottom, you notice which coins are good, which are bad. What is, you know, what is a good project, what's a bear project. Because then is when you see all of these coins deflate, that's when you see all the projects that don't have any substance deflate, and only good projects keep the value, right? So in the bear market, we see the real value of stuff. Now, in the bull market, it's nothing like that. In the bull market, it's a frenzy. It's a literal frenzy. Whoever can get the most hype, we go up. So I can even believe that Dogecoin and Shiba can overpass Bitcoin. And you are gonna be saying, hey man, you don't know what you're talking about. How can it go past Bitcoin? It can go past Bitcoin. In the bull market, anything can happen. All of the shitcoins can go up without any kind of fundamentals. Fundamentals really don't matter in bull market. In bull market, what does matter, it's how much you can hype the coin. It's how much you know, progress on the roadmap you have come, and how much you can make progress in the future. How much you can, you know, how many rumors a project has. In the bull market, that's, you know, that's what happens in bull market. In the bear market, all of these coins without sometimes just drop, and then that's when you see the real, you know, coin market cap, right? That's when you see the real projects. But right now, it really doesn't matter. Shiba and Dogecoin can go to number 1 and 2 place on the chart. It really doesn't matter, because in the bear market, they're gonna, you know, lose the value just like everything else and stuff like that. So keep in mind that Dogecoin, Shiba, SafeMoon, Hodge, any kind of Ponzi coin, anything, Floki Inu can go and be number 1 on the coin cap. If they don't believe you, you can tell this to everybody. If they don't believe you, go and listen what this crazy guy TLA on the YouTube said. In the bull market, it really doesn't matter what has substance and not. What matters is what you can, what has the most rumor. You remember previous bull run, not previous, but you know, this bull run, first part of the bull run, when Cardano went up. It went up on the rumors, Africa rumor, this, it's good project, it's gonna explode, it's gonna do this, it's gonna do that. You know, projects that already are finished are not that, you know, exciting, but you know, the thing that you can hype is really good. Yeah, in bull market, the valuation is a solid story, and the potential, the bear market valuation is the current progress shown. Safe moon to the moon. It's a safe, but also not that. So yeah, so and I'm gonna teach you a fourth. I'm on a roll here, guys. I'm gonna teach you a fourth thing. I said this to my Patreons today because I noticed a lot of people are doing the same mistake. So you understand right now a little bit of more market cap, how the market cap, just because something is 80,000 goes up 10x, it doesn't mean it's gonna stay there. It's gonna pull back. The other thing is, the other thing is that when something goes up, you know, other coins goes up as well. So it, you know, the difference doesn't become that big. And the third thing is that, you know, it doesn't matter what kind of coin is, it needs hype and stuff like that. And the fourth thing people do on the coin market cap, the fourth error people do on coin market cap, they look at the 24-hour change. Okay, this is the biggest error people make, because if you look at the 24-hour change, what you're gonna see right now, Shiba is down minus 80%, but earlier today it was plus 33%. I even posted a picture on the Telegram Patreon chat, 33%. And this actually, you know, people don't understand this. People looking at 24 hours and seeing 33%. Right now it's minus 13%, but they see 33% and they think, oh, it's good, let's buy. Never look at 24-hour change, because this is what the mainstream, this is for the retail people, this is for normal people, what they look at. We technical analysis don't care about these numbers. These numbers are bogus, they are wrong and not showing anything. The 24 change doesn't show you any kind of movement. We look at the opens and closes on the candles, you know, daily opens and closes on candles. What we look at is something like this. We look at these numbers. Okay, we look at these numbers. This is when the candle open, this is when it closes. We look at the difference. We don't look at the difference between this point and then somewhere down here, you know, half into the next day. We don't look at, like, if you look at a 1 hourly chart, right, 24 hours is something like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just do this. 24 hours is something like, where is it? 24 bars. This is the 24 hours, right? This is 24 hours. But we don't look like from here to here how much the Bitcoin has risen in the last 24 hours. We want to know how much it has risen during the one daily candle, and that's this candle up here. That's this candle up here. So on CoinMarketCap, never look at the 24 hour. It really means nothing. And it's more often you're gonna get the wrong impression of what a coin is doing if you are looking on the 24-hour changes, because 24-hour changes are really wrong to get a perception of what a coin is doing. If you want to know what a coin is doing, you gotta look candle to candle, close to close, because that's where all the traders are, that's where all the tech canals are, that's where everybody else is. No email Binance, anyone else with this problem at the moment. You can look weekly percentage. Yeah, but weekly is also I don't know if this is 7-day percentage, so maybe this is more correct than this one. But you know, people often, you know, focus on what's happening right now. See, Dogecoin 28%, decentralized 17%, Polygon 13%, but it is rolling 24%. Logi had a question. How do you know in the bear market if a coin will survive or not? You don't know. You don't know if it will survive or not. That's why people, when it comes to bear market, people buy a legit project that will hold value, you know. So they will be buying Cardano, Polkadot, Matic, you know, Solana. They will buy legit projects in the bear market. When you get to the bottom, they buy legit projects, right? Or when you start going down, they buy legit projects. But you don't know. I mean, you're not buying Floki Inu and hoping that it's gonna survive the bear market, guys. Do not buy Floki Inu and hope that the Ponzi will survive the bear market. Okay. It's not getting above the 6333, man. Where is the trend up here? It cannot be this one. Maybe something like this up here. This trend is broken, so this trend is no longer in effect. We create another trend line. This should be a lot. This should be something like this up here, give or take. Symmetrical triangles, you know, down here at 59.7 or something like that before we get out of this. But you know, I don't know if this is you know, a pennant for the move to the downside, or this is upward. I think it's upward pennant. Everybody hit the like button. This channel needs to be upped. The only YouTube that brings emotion to TA. Will it dump further down? We don't know. That's what we are looking for. That's what this channel, that's what this stream is right now for. Will it dump more? So we are looking for recovery. We are looking for definitely for recovery here on the 5 minute. Let's see the 5 minute chart. How's the 5 minute chart looking? It is climbing some kind of moving average. There's a lot of resistance right up here. A lot of resistance. So if you manage to break up here, like I think a lot is gonna be done. So you gotta get above 63.33. But this one, bro, look at Mariply. What's happening in mathematics? 20% doing nothing. It had a pump down here. It's right now trying to, you know, do we have? Yeah, there's the, you know, the bullish divergence on the no, there is no divergence up here. Nothing's happening. Ethereum going up. Ethereum recovered, guys. Ethereum is a leading indicator. Bitcoin is fine. We good. We good. Moon Inu says we good. It's done. Ethereum recovered, guys. 7.57%. If Ethereum recovers, Bitcoin will definitely recover, guys. If Ethereum recovers, Bitcoin will definitely recover. Nice. Well done. Often some of these bigger coins will, you know, especially Ethereum, you gotta watch what Ethereum is doing, because it's the biggest coin. It's the #1 coin right after Bitcoin, and right now it's 7.68%. It's recovering like mad. So it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin, you know, breaks through the resistance up here at 63.33 and goes towards the upside. I think people are already noticing right now on the charts that you know, Ethereum has broken out, so they wanna go up here. Look at don't just yell like look at this, look at that. Why am I gonna look at stuff? GGB Moon, it is my wife. Michael is in love with it. Michael had this one buy one time that made him money on it, and you know, ever since then, you know, he's he's in love with it. And yeah, I keep telling, man, you know, date it, F it, you know, play around with it, but you know, don't marry it, trade it. No, Michael and it are like you know, Dodge Moon Lambo Inc. Yeah, it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin pops the cherry up here and goes to the top, guys. It's only a matter of time. Ethereum did that right now. You can see Ethereum broke to the upside. It's flying like crazy. This is right now outperforming Doge, man. This is outperforming Doge. What the F, man. Look here, it's going all-time high, guys. All-time high for hourly time frame. It just does not care. Tila, why are you so sure about Bitcoin? We are where the confidence came from? Because Ethereum, man. Ethereum recovered. Ethereum recovered. See this dump here. So Ethereum managed to recover up here. You see what happened as soon as it broke this line, and Bitcoin is soon about to break the same line. As soon as it did this, it did it to the upside. Now Ethereum can oftentimes be a leading indicator for Bitcoin. It can tell you what Bitcoin is about to do. If sometimes you can also, you know, when you're looking at altcoins, you always look what is Bitcoin gonna do, because usually if Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. If Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up, right? But sometimes you can also see what Bitcoin is gonna do by looking at what Ethereum is doing. Look what Ethereum is doing right now. If Ethereum can have this much power, if there are a lot of people that are bullish on Ethereum, that might 8% right now, that means that also right now Bitcoin might also have the same kind of bullishness. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Very close to the resistance up here, so close about to breaking it. This is definitely gonna break it, I think. This is too steep, so it should be something more like this in line up here. I think this, yeah, I think this is the triangle. Yeah, it broke the triangle, right now going towards the upside up here. Yeah, it's breaking, it wants to go. It is liquidation dump. It is liquidation dump. Must be liquidation dump. If you're not following me on Twitter, guys, you know what to do right now. Not that I care too much about Twitter, but you know. They said bullish Facebook news, now continue. They sold the bullish fake. Oh yeah, Facebook's changed, you know, the name to Meta, but Facebook didn't change the name to Meta in a company, just like Google didn't change the name to Google, you know, the company changed the name to Alphabet. The deep. Well, watch Blockchain Buster's videos, Los. Blockchain Backer, yeah, that guy, man, that guy, YouTube, Blockchain Backer. He has really nice intro, man. He's really nice intro. This guy's a really nice intro. Let's see one of his intro. He's all in XRP. He's always XRP. He's XRP fanatic, man. I think it's XRP, no, altcoin mania. To the moon. Yeah, he's really nice intro. I like his intro. I heard the Facebook news from here, now I'll piss though. Yeah, the Facebook changed the name to Meta. Oh, it's so close. I thought it was breaking. It's so close to breaking. So close. Ethereum, come on. Ethereum went up. Oh, you're gonna have a pullback, small pullback here. Maybe it's Bitcoin's turn. Where is my song, man? Where is my song? There we go. Put this on loop. Alex Stratton, 25 ROM. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money, man. Appreciate the money. blockchain. He's very convincing on BTC top blockchain. What did he say about BTC top? I don't follow all of the, you know, all of the tops and bottoms predictions. So what did blockchain said? We like Ron. Michael doing the job. What did blockchain Becky say about Bitcoin top? Behind my desk for now, instead of my phone, to see a big green candles. Can you please share the good TP target point? I don't know. Long for Sol. I got in at 193. Oh, you want to see target for Sol? TLA, do liquidation dumps come in pairs? Also, why do they happen? Is whale fames? I don't know why. You know, the thing is, you know, it's easy money to make because exchanges, you know where all the stop losses are. They know where all the liquidations are. So here's the thing about liquidations, guys. Here's the thing and why the liquidations happen. So you have some kind of price, right, going up, going down, going up, going down, right? Let me see. It starts going up and it goes up, you know, and starts going up here. So, you know, whales know that below this line there is a lot of stop losses. What does stop loss mean? That means that, you know, people will sell if it hits this target, but also, you know, people go long here, you know, they go long and they go leverage long like 10x, 20x. So there is a lot of liquidations stops here that's gonna get triggered with engine. So what whales do, they coordinate attack when the price is very low down here by itself. They coordinate attack to push the price down, so it triggers these stop losses and they buy everything up. So they want the, you know, they want the liquidity because, you know, exchanges don't have that much liquidity, especially with Bitcoin. And when you are whale, you want to buy a couple of billions of something, you know, it's very hard to do. So this liquidity, that's liquidity pool. This liquidity pool needs to be bought up, so they push it down with small amounts of Bitcoin until it starts cascading down by itself because of the sell losses and the liquidations. And once it starts, you know, cascading down, they just buy everything up. They just buy everything up because, you know, that's where they get the liquidity from. So imagine you want to have a buy, you know, 100 million or something, maybe even more than that. These liquidation dumps are a very good spot to get this liquidity when you need it, right? So this is also called something like stop hunting and stuff like that. And this is what I think it was, because the price went pretty low, it was going down, and suddenly this big dump to the downside. A lot of people got liquidated, a lot of stop losses got triggered, and what happens then? Right back up again, right back up, and see here, we are done, guys. I told you Ethereum is a leading indicator sometimes, and you can see that right now what's happening up here. We're done. BTC pump above the resistance, nice, bullish, upwards, done. Finish. Aren't you glad that you clicked on my video, even with the 10 minutes, you know, chair stream? If you like the video so far, guys, if you like the live stream, if you learned something today, hit the like button. There is a link down below for the Telegram channel. It's a public channel, so just join. You know, there is a lot of nice people there. Join the public channel. I can click this up here. Join the Telegram group today. There is a link down below. And you know, if you think that I'm decent in tech analysis, check out my Patreon. I'm not gonna shield the Patreon too much, but there is also a private Telegram group that, you know, I chat every single day on. So if you want to join Patreon, join Patreon. If you want to join, you know, the free public group, join public group. If you're gonna give me a like, you know, I appreciate that. Thank you for giving me a like, because it helps my channel grow. I've been stuck at 33,000 for months during the small dip. Right now I'm suddenly climbing a little bit. That's fine. You know, if you enjoyed the stream, hit the like button. I mean, it does more than you think. Thank you. TLI, I'm so bad at setting a stop loss, it probably saved me. Sticks and stones, I'm gonna give you a video. There is a guy on YouTube called Andre Minasin. Okay, Andre Minasin. I want you to look at all of his videos. From intuitive, this over there is something called Andre Minasin, intuitive trader, this over here, and they got a whole line of his videos. This is Which Are You, Markets Are Moved by Politics and Psychology, also very nice, interesting videos. So this guy, he sells his course, it doesn't matter, but he's very knowledgeable in the how, you know, market psychology works. So check this guy out, find the video where he talks about stop losses and try to learn something from that, okay, man? That's gonna save you a lot. So now when I know something, you know, I'm gonna look at his pump, man. Look at his pump. It's done. Done. What I say, we know where the resistance lines are, guys. We know where the resistance line. We know where the trend lines are. What did we say? First we said, this is the downtrend. This has to be broken, right? This is downtrend. It has to be broken. This is when you break the downtrend. Then you go up to the resistance up here. Then you hug the resistance. And then since you're hugging the resistance, you break it. And once you break it, you see what happens. Done. Finish. Game over. Liquidation dump. Done. Everybody happy. We are happy we didn't sell. You know, the whales happy they got the liquidity. Everybody, you know, doing nice. What's wrong with why isn't it pumping? I think it's getting ready. Man. Cardano XRP are gonna, you know, they've been big pumpage. It's getting back to the, you know, to the normal levels right now. You can see here. Let's see the daily up here. It has to get back inside the triangle up here, but you know it will do that eventually. I have no reason to doubt that it won't do that. So you know we are looking for Cardano to get back up here, because you know if Bitcoin goes up and we think it's gonna go up, and if Ethereum goes up, you know why shouldn't it Cardano go? It's only a matter of time. And once it goes, it's gonna go good. Tiela, thanks for the occasion. I saved his name on my phone, mate. Last question: what happens now after the liquidation dump? Now we go up, because liquidations dumps, the way this happens over here, this is a very bullish sign. And in technical analysis, we always look at the bullish signs. You know, when you have something like this, you have some kind of resistance, and price goes up, and there is a resistance up here, right? And you break that resistance, the breakout is a bullish sign, right? Other bullish signs, you have support, you go down there, you hold the support, you go up. This is a bullish sign because you're holding support. So we are trying to staking bullish sign, and one of these signs is also this liquidation dump. You have you have some kind of move towards the upside. You know, down here is the liquidation. Pool, right? You do this down here and you go up. This is also, you know, people also know this as what are you gonna call it? They also know this as you know, spring. You know, in a lot of charts they will tell you like there is some kind of a triangle, and people, and then we have a, they call it bear trap. You know, we are bear trap. This is not a bear trap. This is called liquidation dump. They go down to get liquidity and then they go up, okay? So, you know, somebody called it bear trap, you know, something like that, you know, whatever you want to call it, but this is mostly liquidation dump, because a lot down here, there's a lot of liquidity to get, you know, because everybody thinks, you know, it's gonna dump, you know, they start selling, so you get this liquidation dump and it goes up. But, you know, people call it a spring as well, you know, you go higher, you get a spring and it continues up. So these things are very bullish, and that's very good right now for Bitcoin, because right now, what Bitcoin did right now, with this dump down here on 1 minute chart, is showing the bullishness, showing that whales are on purpose trying to manipulate price to get the liquidity and move higher. Look how high we are, 60,988. So it looks good. Safe Moon booming. Yeah, Safe Moon is booming, man. Where is my Safe Moon? But guys, I bought Safe Moon. I'm gonna tell you, first of all, I bought Safe Moon because of I want to buy the bottom. I'm gonna show you where I bought. I bought down here, okay, because I knew Safe Moon is gonna pump. I knew Safe Moon is gonna pump. I don't expect Safe Moon to, you know, do something like crazy, like 100x or something like that. Some moves up here, but I was expecting it to pump, because I noticed the trend in the market, and you know, all of these coins, you know, Shiba Inu, when Shiba Inu pump, I said to myself, guys, all of these coins that have previously been big is gonna pump. So I thought to myself, hey man, what is the second biggest coin besides Shiba Inu? And I ask everybody, I ask people on Telegram, on the Twitter, everybody, what is the biggest coin after Shiba Inu, like these meme coins? Safe Moon. How cannot Safe Moon pump? It's the biggest coin. It was the, you know, mainstream coin of the, you know, previous part 1 bull market, right? So how can it not pump? So I took some throwaway money and I threw at the Shiba. It's not money. I mean, even if it does 100x, it won't make me, you know, filthy rich and buy yacht and anything like that. But, you know, at least, why am I clicking the wrong button all the time? At least I can tell people, guys, I bought the bottom. I bought the bottom on Safe Moon. You know, so I bought the bot, I took some throwaway money, I threw it at SafeMoon, I said, okay, go, you know, and when it goes up here, I can tell people, when it goes up here, I'm clicking the wrong button all the time. So when it goes up here, I'll be telling people, guys, I bought down here. SafeMoon is a real meme coin, but go ahead. It's not a meme. First came Hodge. Hodge was first Ponzi coin previous bull run. And after Hodge, I couldn't buy Hodge because, you know, it's already going up and I know how this Ponzi stuff works. So I wanted to buy the second coin that comes out. And the second coin that came out was SafeMoon, because it's going to the moon safely, you know, SafeMoon. And after SafeMoon came Safe Galaxy. Now, after SafeMoon came Safe Mars, then Safe Galaxy, then all of these other meme coins. The SafeMoon was legitimately number 2 coin after Hodge Finance, and Hodge Finance is right now pumping as well hard. Hodge Finance was the first coin that came out. Hodge Finance is pumping like crazy right now. You can see here, pumping like crazy already. Hodge Finance was the first coin to come out, right? Hodge Finance, and I didn't want to buy it because it already went up, right? But you know, I want to buy the second coin, and I want to buy a SafeMoon, and I bought SafeMoon, guys. I bought SafeMoon at around where is it? Down here. I bought SafeMoon down here. I sold it up here or here, I don't remember. And then it went up. It did this. So you might be saying, hey man, you bought here, but you sold there. Oh, you're such a loser. Yeah, but I did not know, you know, because it was so early in these Ponzi coins. I did not know how high they were gonna go. I thought it was done, you know. I thought I did pump. Okay, it's finished. Let's sell, you know. And then it did this, and then it did that, you know. So it doesn't matter, you know. It's fun money. It's fun money. It's fun money. So SafeMoon is gonna do. So Hodge is right now doing well. Floki is doing well. SafeMoon will do well. Shiba Inu did well. Dogecoin will do well. All of these things that, you know, pumped before will pump again. You know, Ponzi coins. But you know, and if you have been on my Patreon and everywhere else, but you know, on Patreon especially, we do this daily video on Patreon, right? So from time to time I try to explain to people how these Ponzi coins working, because I've been through 2018-19 bear market, and we had something called we had a lot of Ponzi schemes, power of weak hands, power of weak legs and stuff like that. We had a lot of Ponzi coins. So I learned my lesson in 2018 bear market how these Ponzis work. And usually, you know, you get the first one that opens the space, then everybody copies the contracts and make their own versions, and then they add stuff and they remove stuff, but eventually they work less and less because people understand how they work and they don't want to buy anymore. Now, it's a little bit different in the bull market. That's what I understood in the bull market. It's in the bull market, there is so much new people that people don't have time to learn how these Ponzi coins working. So there is always new, I won't say sheep, but there is always new people piling into the Ponzi coins. So they can always go up and up. In bear market, the people that were buying Ponzi coins were only people in crypto. So as soon as they understood, they didn't buy the second time. So the Ponzi scheme ran out pretty fast during the bear market. But in the bull market, it's not running out of steam. It's just getting up and up. Like everybody with a you know, five bucks in the brain knows a lot of these meme coins are like total Ponzi coins. But you know, what does it mean, that's Ponzi coins? Well, it means if you're the first, meaning if you developed the thing, if you are the friends with the developer, if you are one of the first in the public that's buying the coin, you're gonna get pretty good returns, because that's how it works. That's how it works. And you see, guys, we are climbing like crazy up here. Bitcoin is going right now 5% up. Let's see 4-hourly time frame. It's even bigger than before. Let's clear up everything. You can see here. Look at this liquidation dump, guys. This is done. Aren't you glad you are on my channel, man? Aren't you glad? But I figured out I should, you know, pop the video pretty fast, you know, and tell people what's happening right now. You shorting Shiba? No, I'm not shorting Shiba, unfortunately. We had the live stream on Shiba. There's no live stream right now because I deleted. But you know, people who are on the live stream, we called Shiba Inu tap on the dollar. Where is Shiba Inu? Let's go down here. We call the Shiba Inu tap on the dollar, guys. We call the Shiba Inu tap on the dollar. Up here we call the Shiba Inu. Right up here we call the Shiba Inu. Why did we do that? And it went down and then it went up there, but it was the same top. I did not expect this to go for the second run towards up top, but then it was just a lot of buying, you know, and then it dropped down. Right, but we call the very top on the 1 minute chart. We are following this, we are looking on this on the 1 minute chart, and right up here we said this is the top, guys, around 8.5, something like this is it, guys, that's it. And we started going down, it's, you know, it's broken. And I also explained this how this parabolic move works in the live stream, but I also did it in the Patreon videos. So whoever doesn't get the live streams, if I feel that I have something of value to give to people, I will do that. So I explained, you know, how these parabolic moves work, and why did we hit the top right up here, and why is this going to go down now. So we call the top. Also, I can show you something very nice up here. Let's do this on the weekly time frame. So reason Shiba pumped right up here is because of 10x. If you take the tops up here and you go with a line up here, you get 926%. That's 10x, because 100% is 2x, 200% is 3x, 300% is 4, 4 is 5, 5 is 6, 5 is so forth, so forth. So 900% is 10x. They calculated this. This was the plan all along. 10x was the plan. 10x was the plan all the way since down here, guys. 10x was the plan. The target was already set. So when you have something like this, a psychological target, this is what we call psychological target, because a lot of people have been looking at some kind of Fibonacci extension to find the target and stuff like that. We like our psychological targets, and psychological targets is 10x. 10x is psychological, the same way 100x is also a psychological target. And the whales that bought the dip down here pushed it 10x and are right now selling. You understand that? So we saw that. We were looking at the 1 minute chart. We are looking at the top right over here happening. We are looking at the parabolic move. I don't want to explain to you how parabolic moves work, but where is it? But we are looking at this parabolic move and said, this is it, guys, this is done. Vincent Mark, 50 bucks. Yes, we did on Shiba. I short ship from the top to the bottom. Here's a tip, brother. Keep up the great work. Appreciate it, buddy. Appreciate the money. 50 bucks, that's a lot, man. I'm gonna go to McDonald's tomorrow. I'm gonna take the kids, the wife to McDonald's on your behalf. Thanks, man. I appreciate the money. BTC breaking the falling wedge. Yeah, right now Bitcoin should be breaking everything to the upside because it's done. Bitcoin can finally, you know, oftentimes price, there is saying price has to go lower to go higher. I did this video on this a long time ago, and I mean long time, like 2 years ago. Price have to go, when price start hitting resistance, price have to go lower to go higher. Why does it have to go lower before go? It has to go down to get out people of the market, so it can push the price up. Okay. Love that you, the man. Love the TA. Keep up the great work. Appreciate the money, man. Appreciate the kind words. Appreciate everything. Thanks. So Shiba is done. No, it's not done. By the way, guys, I don't know if Shiba is done. It's done for now, because right now it's gonna go. I don't know if it's done for now, and how long this is gonna be done, because this is a parabolic move on a small time frame. This is a 4-hourly time frame, 1-hourly time frame. It's a parabolic move on the small time frames. So you can see this line already. So what I'm thinking, it's gonna do something like this up here, or make some kind of triangle up here. It's gonna go in some kind of consolidation phase. I don't know how long consolidation phase is gonna go. I don't think this is gonna be a weekly consolidation phase, because we did not do a parabolic move on a weekly time frame. We just did like 1 month, you know, straight up, and you know, right now it's gonna go a little bit sideways, maybe a little bit down, and continue up again. I don't know. We did parabolic move on small time frames, and when you do parabolic move on small time frames, chances are, I mean, after any kind of parabolic move, you have to have some kind of consolidation phase. That's the most important thing. So right now we are going through consolidation phase. This can last for a couple of days. This can last for a week, give or take, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know how long the consolidation phase is gonna go. I don't know how far they're down. But there is 10 billion volume traded on Shiba Inu yesterday, guys. Not yesterday, day before. 10 billion volume. What do you think is gonna happen? I mean, there is so much bullishness in over here. As soon as Shiba crosses back above this level up here, because it's gonna do something like this, and when you see Shiba Inu go above this level up here, above 86.58, above this level, once it crosses above this level again, guys, it's gonna go sky high. This is the target to reach. It can go up here, but you cannot go long. You cannot go long. You cannot go long just because you think it's gonna break. It has to break it. It has to close above it. Maybe some retest. The retest not actually needed. Maybe on some small time frames. And then after the close above the target, then we have to see the move towards the upside, and then then it's good to go. But just hitting the resistance is not good enough. But as soon as it breaks it, guys, you understand? So we are gonna have, I think, this is consolidation. There's no other way to say. This is consolidation that's happening right now in the small time frames. I haven't checked the technicals or anything up here. This looks like, yeah, this was a top up here. There is divergence up here on the top. Divergence up here on the top. Right now going through some kind of consolidation. How long the consolidation period is gonna last? Don't ask me. I don't know. On Patreon, I'm gonna tell everybody like, hey guys, it's done, because we do 100 coins every single day on Patreon, right? So we're gonna know exactly when it starts breaking out. But just saying right now when it's gonna, I don't know, when we get close to the breakout, I might do a video and tell everybody, but we don't know right now. But there is a lot of bullishness in this right now. $5.61 breaking the high. This is so bullish. So bullish. Good job, man. Good job. Bitcoin, you did well, man. You did well, Bitcoin. Look at this. We came to the top. People got crazy. Yeah, we're gonna break the resistance, because this is very important resistance to break. Even with, guys, I'm gonna explain something to you. Even without this falling wedge, this is called a trend line. This is called a trend line. Let's try to make a better trend line, because we pro here on this channel. We pro. Let's see here. This is the trend line. Let's see. This is engulfing, so you should be using. This is the breakout, guys. It's already happening right now. You might be asking him, hey man, why is this? Not. Don't question me, man. I know. This is the trend line. We are breaking the trend. When you are breaking a trend, you are bullish. When you break upward trend, you're bullish. Right now, everybody sees this. Everybody goes long. Everybody knows what's gonna happen, and they are piling in, guys. They're piling in. Should I sell my $2 safe moon and put in WeChat? Why would you sell a parabolic moon, man, if it's only $2? Oh, $2K. Oh, sorry. $2. I don't know what you should do with your money, man. Not a financial advice. I tell you what, you can ask me question. Hey, man, do you think this is gonna go parabolic? Do you think that will go parabolic? What you think is gonna happen with this? What you think is gonna happen with that? But you cannot ask me, man, should I buy this and sell that? I'm not gonna say that. You understand that? You bullish at TLA. Coins Kid, have you not watched my show? I come in peace. Oh man, you missed a great live stream, man. You missed a great live stream. Daddy Coin 499. Hey boss, can you look at Matic? We broke through the 2 level. Next top 9. Not right now. I mean, don't super chat right now. 15%. Yeah, it's looking bullish like crazy. Yeah, we broke through 186. We got some resistance at 2224, 27. So keep that in mind. 27, 2224, sorry, 2224, 27. Those are the only resistance to upside. But I said like between 18 and 27, this is gonna go fast. So this move right now that's happening on Matic right now towards 27 is gonna go fast. Shout out to my son Finlay Kelly, mate. He's with me. Finlay Kelly, welcome to crypto. Your dad is a god in here. I hope you learned something from your dad. I don't know if that's gonna be tech analysis or Ponzi coins or what that's gonna be, but I do hope you take lessons from that guy, because he knows his stuff. He knows how to learn. He knows how to adapt. He knows how to figure out stuff. That guy's legit. Not only does he do technical analysis very good, but he's also a very good YouTuber. Because because we YouTubers, we notice each other, we notice what the other person is doing and stuff like that. And your dad is a very quick learner, and he understands YouTube algorithm. He learns very quickly. So Finley, mate, listen to your dad. Do you think Baby Dodge will go parabolic? Why not? I don't know, man. I haven't seen the chart on Baby Dodge, to be honest with you. I don't know. If the bull run continues, every Ponzi coin will go parabolic at one point. and then they will die. Like, you know, we saw what happened with SafeMoon, we saw what happened with Hodge in the bear market. Not in the bear market, the first part of the bear market, right? After the first part of bull market, we saw what happened in the first part of the bear market. Everything went almost down, you know, 90%. So, you know, will it go parabolic? I think everything, but, you know, when the parabolic will happen and go down. Mr. Moving Average. I'm bullish, like, you know what, I'm ecstatic about the move. It's good, it's good. Trend line broken, guys. We going higher. This is on the 4 hour list, so still 3 hours and 50 minutes to close above it, but you know, whatever. Let's see if we closed on 1 hourly. We didn't close on 1 hourly either. Okay, maybe we're gonna close on 1 hourly. That's gonna be bullish. So, you know, we are following the 1 hourly close. Big up, Finley crew. What's your Dodge target? I don't have any target. High up. At least Dodge is. I mean, it's gonna go at least at 0.74, at least at 0.74, and then it's gonna go parabolic. And once you go parabolic, we're just gonna do like we did with the Shiba Inu. We're gonna watch when the parabolic move is ending, and that's gonna be the target. How high that's gonna be, I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be 10x from middle up here. Maybe it's gonna be 10x from down here. Maybe it's gonna be 10x from up here. Maybe it's just gonna be 5x from the middle here. I don't know. You know, but we are gonna go continue going. I think, you know, Dodge will continue at least up here. And then maybe, you know, here we will stop, and then once it breaks this up here, it's gonna be it's gonna start going, you know, crazy. Dodge 192 TLA 192. We gotta put this on the map, guys. We gotta put this on the map. CoinSkid says 192. Okay, and we're gonna write it here, man. We're gonna write it. CoinSkid target. There we go. CoinSkid target. A little arrow to point to the target. Very nicely. Let's go. There we go. So we're gonna see. I'm not creating any targets yet. You know, I haven't decided on the target. I'm not really a fan of the targets. You know, short-term targets, yes. Like long-term targets, I'm not quite sure. Can't even argue with that. What music playlist you're playing? It's so relaxing. It's. Let me see here. I can show you. It's Stream Beats, Chill Step. If you go to the site, I'm gonna show you the site. It's free music for streaming. Stream Beats, and if you go to Stream Beats, this is copyright free music, and Chill Step, this one. And there is a song called something like what's the song called? Second Dose, and I have it on loop. That's it. So it's on, that's why I listen to this. It's really nice, like background noise. Hello, Just Ryan. Have you reviewed Matic? Yes, I did. Still beat it to 214k, the CK. Yeah, I think CoinSkid still thinks that. What's your view on that, CoinSkid? You think still we're gonna going to 200k? Is that still the target? ETH 10% up, man. 10% up. What the? ETH also breaking the resistance up here. You know, ETH is going. I don't listen to free music. I'm future millionaire. Well, you don't have to be a millionaire to listen to, you know, paid music. It's not expensive. TA on Baby Dodge, please. Nah, don't make me. Thanks for the bucks, man, but I'm not looking at it, Baby Dodge, man. BTC 200k, yeah. Guys, you're gonna have to settle for the chair for the next 5 minutes because I'm taking, you know, a quick break. So we're gonna see that. Do keep up the chat with CoinSkid if you want. We're gonna put some interesting charts up here for you guys to watch this. If this, don't drop this while I'm away, okay? Don't do a liquidation drop while I'm away, okay? TA Fans Club, Mark de Buren. Hi man, welcome to TA Fans Club. Enjoy the green name, enjoy the memes. This is not a dump, it's just a pullback to the support. Okay, now that the fakers are gone out of the chat and the only true fans are here, how you guys doing? So we settled actually hard before we dumped, yeah. Galileo back in the chat. Safe Moon keeps going. Yeah, Safe Moon is gonna go. Yeah, I'm back. Michael is back as well. Nice. Martin is in the chat. It's time 10:22. Can you tell me how to get a good night rest when I wake up sweat for him to check the charts? Yeah, there is no saving from that, man. It's gonna keep on going until the bear market. Then you're gonna be like, okay, just sell everything and then you sleep like a baby. Why would you want to sleep now, man? Sleep is for the weak. But I'm a little bummed out because last 3 days I had like less than 5 hours of sleep. So I think I need a good night's sleep today. Seriously, man, all this anticipation. Yeah, I'm trying to keep everybody. My favorite channel, I'm glad you live. No live streams in the morning. Yeah, I'm sorry about the live streams, but you know, I use too much time on the live streams. Then I have to do the Patreon daily video. And then I have to, you know, look for some other stuff. So it just takes too much time. So I thought that, it's not that important, you know. Like, maybe I should start doing like daily Bitcoin video now. That would be a thing, you know. Maybe doing some daily Bitcoin video, daily Cardano, daily XRP, something like that. Just get us a couple of coins to talk about it. What do you think about ICP? Yeah, let's talk about some of these, you know, lesser coins. ICP, I don't know what ICP is. You know, when it launched, it was like top 10 coin, and then it just went bleeding towards downside. I have absolutely no clue how it did that. I don't know where it's on the list. Where is it on the list? ICX, it's not here. It's not here. It's on my list somewhere, but you know, I'm trying to find it, but you know, I don't know where it is. Let's see. This. Maybe I deleted it. I don't know. Maybe I moved it. I don't know. Let's just do it like this. Scam week. This never recovered. Look at this. This is a bad coin. When you have this, you know, dump down here and you do not recover from that. Oh, this actually no. This is a dump. This actually recovered. Sorry, this recovered. Let's see on the daily time frame up here. It's sitting on some kind of support, but will it actually go or not? You can see the trend up here. You know, it went down to support. So there is this support of 40k. Sorry, 40 bucks. There's this very nice support, and there is the trend line. If you want ICP to do anything, you know, nice, it has to get above this line up here and do fine. But right now it looks bad. Right now it looks bad. Let's see the moving average up here. Yeah, it's just below the moving. It just blinked to one. Like, there are so much better coins, guys. Pro tip: do not try to find, you know, the next 1000x. Like, there are so many good coins. Matic right now, what's good? Matic, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin right now is very good. Phantom just had small going through consolidation, but Solana is gonna be kicking in soon. There you go. I think Solana is fine. The bottom. Solana is gonna be kicking up soon. You know, there's so much good coins right now that you can make money. Don't try to look. Don't be a bottom chaser right now. Now it's not time to be a bottom chaser. Bottom chaser is what you do in the bear market, right? Right now it's time to pick good coins that are, you know, pumping. Talk once about Dash. I guess you never know. Of course I don't talk about Dash. Dash is such a bad coin, man. Dash is so bad. It's insane. I don't know what to call this, man. Let's find a longer chart on Dash. Look how Dash never managed to get above all-time high. Never managed to get above all-time high. The gains are insanely low. How much is this? It's, you know, Bitcoin did from the bottom here, from the bottom, very bottom to the very top. Bitcoin did 1,500%. Dash did 1,300. Why would you buy something that underperforms Bitcoin in the bull market? That's why we never talk about Dash. Dash is crap. Dash is, you know, looking on the technical aspects and not the fundamental, Dash is literally crap. And when Dash is crap on the technical aspect, that means that the fundamental aspects, meaning, you know, people that are watching it, they're not buying this. This is crap. When something underperforms Bitcoin, it's crap. What are some good coins to get into now? I don't know. Ethereum, Bitcoin, of course. Matic right now. Solana looks like it's gonna go soon. Or might already go right now. It looks good. Phantom is going through some kind of consolidation phase, so it might be right after that. But these are coins that are performing really nicely right now. Which might, yeah, there are some other smaller coins and stuff like that are going, but these big coins like Solana, Matic right now, Dogecoin, of course, right now is also a big thing. Ethereum, Bitcoin. I don't think Cardano and XRP are right now ready, or Chainlink. Chainlink also broke, but you know, it might go, but we need to see some big better moments. Harmony 1 is good. Harmony 1 is still pumping, you know, so there are a lot of good coins, but you know, there are a lot of good coins. Don't be a bottom chaser, guys, not right now. Why SafeMoon Kansas is looking so weird? I don't know, I haven't checked it out, but it's going up, so we don't care. I think it has something to do because SafeMoon is only on the DEX. When SafeMoon gets listed on Binance and Robinhood and you know, Coinbase, you know, it's gonna explode. You guys think SafeMoon can be listed on anything? VeChain is gonna go up soon. VeChain has been going in option for a long time, man. Not even on big exchange. Yeah. Will SafeMoon get listed? Yeah, who knows? It's a hope, you know. What are your top best paying short-term coins? I don't have any top best short-term paying like Dogecoin. We have very big confidence in Dogecoin right now. I told people, you know, my patrons, you know, that these triangles just keep on, you know, consolidation going up. Like, why should this go down? We don't get it. We don't get why this should go down. So, you know. 1st November, SafeMoon Binance. Let's see if SafeMoon has anything, by the way, guys. SafeMoon is this one. Cookie notice, yeah. Fast growing crypto community. Buy now, swap, live chat. Do they have the roadmap? It's a protocol. It's a community focused. Of course, the community for SafeMoon exchange. Or they're gonna have the SafeMoon exchange. The same exchange revolution, new idea that will bring economics to all of the crypto. We call it cryptonomics. So coming soon, you know, that's good. Anything that's coming soon is pump material. But does it have how to buy? No, it doesn't. SafeMoon roadmap. To official SafeMoon roadmap. Okay, let's see what Reddit says. Q1 20 protocol initialized. We have again Q2 the initial push, holding the line. We will finish our crypto educational app and begin our new charity project. Q3 we are in Q4 now. To the moon. We will finish SafeMoon exchange and our charity project. We will finish integration with our first African market. Begin the next integration with African markets. Okay, so I guess they got something, but it's not very exciting because the reflections they have. What do you mean by reflections? Exchange is next, then V2 conversion. Solanium Polka starter. Can you please take a look at NG? NG is doing fine. I think NG, a lot of people in the Patreon chat are also excited about NG coin, I think. Let's see engine right now. Yeah, 13%. Yeah, it broke the. Yeah, this is why we are. We've been following engine coin for a while, and you know we know the breakouts. We know what's gonna happen, guys. If you wanna know what's gonna happen next, check out the Patreon. Bye bye, guys. So it is breaking out the resistance up here. It is going right now. It's going to try to break this resistance, and it's gonna continue going up. So engine coin definitely looking very nicely right now. All reflection projects die fast. The reflections you earn from each trajectory. Oh, okay. I don't know how it works, but okay. SafeMoon blockchain should arrive December or January. They're gonna have SafeMoon blockchain. I mean, SafeMoon guys got pretty rich, so they gathered a ton of money, and now they put in that money to pump it more. So it's good. Whoever can push out most pumpage, they win. Anyways, let's recap on Bitcoin right now. See what Bitcoin is doing right now on 1 minute chart. Yeah, it just consolidating here at the top for a while. Is it closed 1 hourly? 1 hourly still has 29 minutes left. We're gonna see how this plays out. I don't think I'm gonna stream for another 30 minutes, so that said, we are out of the dump, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. Check out the link down below for the Patreon if that's your thing. Also check out the link down below for the free Telegram group if you want to join just other people in Telegram. So anyways guys, thanks for stopping by. Chat kind of died, the enthusiasm kind of died, so we're gonna end the stream here. Tomorrow new videos, tomorrow new day, tomorrow new Patreon video, tomorrow new stuff. We're gonna see how the crypto continues tomorrow. Right now everything looks fine. But it can change during the evening, so we gotta know tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, how we are doing. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, thanks for being around, thanks for hitting the like button, and thanks for all the donations. Have a good one, guys.